Hello, Jason here from Septic Tank TV, and in the next 2 to 3 minutes I'm going to show you and explain to you one of the most popular and important subjects in the world of septic tanks at the moment, and that is, how do you make your septic tank legal? Now, whether you're a septic tank owner that's selling a house, whether you're looking to buy a house that's got a septic tank, this is probably one of the most important videos you could watch right now. Why? Well, let me show you. Have a look at this. So, septic tanks installed before 2015 now they must have by law an MOT certificate. Now, that MOT certificate is called an EN 12566. Now, there's only 3 ways you can get an MOT certificate. Let me show you how. Right. Option number 1. Let's say you're coming to sell your house. The people buying your house will want to know if your septic tank is legal or not. They may ask 1,000 different questions, but that's basically the answer that they're looking for. Is your septic tank legal and compliant with the new rules and regulations? Well, if you haven't got an MOT certificate, then it won't be. So what are your options? Well, you can basically drop your house price down by £15,000. Why £15,000? Because typically if you get a firm round or they get a firm round to inspect your septic tank, that's what you're going to get quoted if you've got a 3 to 4 bedroom house. It'll be more if you've got more bedrooms than that. And basically they'll say, look, your septic tank's not legal. We need to replace it. It's going to cost you 15 grand. Now, let's say you've got a dream house that you want to go to. This is now becoming a problem. It's stressing you out. You can't move unless you sell your house. Some people just capitulate and say, look, we'll knock 15,000 quid off the house price, and that will give you the money to put your own system in. Now, I'm not saying that's a pretty option. For me, it's not a viable option, but nevertheless, some people do go down this route to make their septic tank legal. Let me show you option 2. Option number 2 is you could just get a firm round, right? Let's say you're planning to move and you're preempting the situation. Let's say you're trying to move and you think, oh no, I'm not going to answer those questions. You can just get a firm in. They'll come in, they'll put a new septic tank and SOCO in for you. You'll get your MOT certificate, but that's going to cost you 12 to 15,000 quid minimum, like for a 3 to 4 bedroom house. If you've got more bedrooms than that, you can look 20, 25,000 quid. Excuse me. Now, the reason I've made this video is because I want to show you a really simple and easy and legal way to make your septic tank legal without having to spend out 15,000 quid. Right. So it's called, let me show you this. It's called an ecosystem septic tank converter. So this is a little black box, right, made by the government, designed to make old septic tanks legal. It's approved by British Water, by the Environmental Agency, by UK building regs, and it allows you to sell your house, right, without having to drop your house price 15 grand and without having to get someone in to replace your old system, right? So let me show you exactly what an ecosystem septic tank converter is. So this is what an ecosystem government septic tank converter looks like. It's a small black box. And so here we've got an onion tank, and you could have a concrete tank, whatever, but this is typically what a septic tank looks like. And you've got an inlet pipe and you've got an outlet pipe. Now, the septic tank converter just fits nicely onto the outlet pipe of the septic tank. And all the liquid from the septic tank goes into, the poo stays in the septic tank, obviously. The liquid leaves the septic tank. It goes into the converter. It's then converted into safe, clean mineral water. So that's basically what it looks like, and that's what it does. And the reason why it's so amazing is that there's no electricity to these black boxes. It can literally be put in about 2 to 3 hours. You know, you can do it. You can get your builder to do it. You just got to dig a hole, put it in, and fill the hole with soil. Job done. And so this little black box that I'm showing you here can literally save you 12 to 15,000 quid. Because as soon as you buy it, you get sent a government certificate, which you then can pass on to the solicitors of the people who are representing the people buying your house and say, look, I spared no expense in upgrading my old septic tank system. and making it fully legal and compliant with all the new rules and regulations. Here's a certificate, and then job done. So that saves you 13,000 quid, and that is how to make your septic tank, your old septic tank, legal literally within 3 hours. So I hope this video has helped. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then just type in Septic Tank TV on Google and you'll see more videos which will hopefully fix your septic tank problems and save you thousands of pounds. So listen, you take care. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon.